Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Meet on your phone whether you are joining a class or a meeting or just chatting with friends. First of all, install and sign in. Go to the Play Store and search for the Google Meet. If you have Android phone, it may be already available in your Android phone. Then install and sign in. After you have downloaded, install and sign in. Then join a meeting. To join a meeting, tap join with a code. You will see the code option here. You can join it from here or provided code by typing the code and hit on join. You can join like this. If you got a link, just tap it and it will open the directly in the app. Or start a meeting. To start your own meeting, tap new meeting. At the bottom you will see new option. Click on that. You can create the new meeting. From here you can choose to create a link to share instantly or schedule in Google Calendar. You can schedule in Google Calendar from here, or you can copy the link and share to the respective person to join your meeting. Inside the meeting you can mute and unmute your mic, turn off the video or on the video and use the chat option. Tap the screen to see all the controls like raising your hands or sharing your screen. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Meet on your phone. Hit the like and subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I will see you in the next one.